Just remember that you are part of the whole. One color eyeshadow look. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something today. I am creating a one color eyeshadow look with the Ice Cream Beauty box and the Beauty Moon Cosmetics. It is a 9-pan shade eyeshadow palette. There are 5 mattes and 4 shimmers.
Seven words beat.
The shade I'm using is called Berry Bewitching. That's the shade name. Today's item says, each person is part of the harmonious whole. Each person is part of the harmonious whole. That means you are part of the harmonious whole. You're not alone. Now I'm just blending the edges. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. You have one life. It is just one. Live it right, treat it right, and have fun and joy with it. This one is higher, so I'm going to correct this one to make sure it matches it. The harmonious whole means that you are not by yourself. There is a greater power, and all of us are connected to it. You are connected to it, I am connected to it, other people are connected to it. We have to decide what we are doing with it. And never ever dim your light for no one else. You were made for greatness. It doesn't matter what your greatness look like. Everybody's greatness is different. So just know that you are part of the harmonious whole. Treat palette, one color eyeshadow look. This color is called Berry Bewitching, and that's what's on my eyes. My lip combo is Wet n Wild Brown Liner and Milani I Am Powerful. Number 22, I Am Powerful. I don't know if they still sell that, but this is my lip combo. Always know that you are number 1. I will read today's I Am again. It says, each person is part of the harmonious whole. So when somebody make you feel like you don't belong or you don't suit their style, just remember that you are part of the whole. The whole. You are part of it. WHOLE. You are part of the harmonious whole. That is why you belong. You belong and you are enough. Please remember to share this video with someone else. Hype this video. And as always, until I see you and you see me, remember you're part of the whole. And nothing else can change that. If you are on this earth and you are alive, you have to understand you are part of God's whole universe. This color is so pretty. And then I braided my hair into two. I was like, oh, I gotta put it in something. It's been out for a couple days. But other than that, I want you to know that I love you dearly. And thank you very much for being part of my community and communicating with me in the comments. I will see you shortly. Bye.